अमेरिकेचो डिफेन्स सचिव एस्टन कार्टर आयतारा दनपारां दाबोळी विमानतळार पावलो। उपरांत दनपारां उसरां मंगेशी देवळाक ताणें भेट दिली। ह्या वेळार रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार ताचे बरोबर आशिल्लो। भारत आनी अमेरिकेच्या इंट्रेसाच्यो गजाली एक सारक्यो आशिल्ल्यान भविष्यात दोनूय देश एकठांय येतले म्हूण कार्टर उलयलो। मेक इन इंडिया खाला अमेरिका संयुक्त मिलिटरी कार्यावळींत वांटेकार जातली।
This is to take yet more steps in the important security relationship between the United States and India. We do that in a way that is very respectful of India's own independent strategic interests. So we know that India works with other countries as well, but we very much appreciate the collaboration with the United States. It's one of the strongest we have, and we believe, certainly in the United States, that the United States and India, because they have so much in common, in both in interests and their peoples, that they are destined to be strategic partners in this century. And he and I will be talking about a large number of activities, technology projects, exercises, and so forth that reflect the closeness of the U.S.-Indian strategic relationship. Expect that we're doing things. I see Frank Kendall is here in the co-production, co-development, and technology sharing areas, which are the critical areas that reflect Indian interest in, and particularly Prime Minister Modi's and Minister Parikar's in Make in India. And that's why our co-production and co-development comes in, and technology sharing. And also, of course, we work a lot in the maritime area, and that's what we'll be doing tomorrow, a reflection of India's Act East policy and our rebalance policy.
मंगेशी देवळांत गेले उपरांत कार्टर पोन्ने गोंयांत चर्चेत गेलो। एस्टन कार्टर सोमारा 11 तारखेमेरेन गोंयांत आसतलो। कार्टर आनी रक्षा मंत्री पर्रीकार कारवार सीबर्ड नौदळ तळार INS विक्रमादित्य युद्ध नौकेक भेट दितले। थंयच अमेरिका आनी भारताच्या डिफेन्स डिलांचेर दोगां मदीं चर्चा जातली। उपरांत दोगूय अमेरिकेच्यो युद्ध नौका USS ब्ल्यू रिजाचेर भारत आनी अमेरिकेच्या संयुक्त मिलिटरी कार्यावळी विशीं उलयतले। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।